Benefits of Shirodhara Panchakarma. Shirodhara is a traditional Ayurvedic therapy that involves pouring a continuous stream of warm oil, medicated milk, buttermilk, or herbal decoctions onto the forehead for a specific period of time. It's a key component of the Panchakarma detoxification process in Ayurveda. Stress relief. The rhythmic flow of oil or liquid induces a deep state of relaxation, calming the mind and reducing stress and anxiety. Mental clarity. Shirodhara helps to clear and rejuvenate the mind, improving concentration and mental clarity. Better sleep. It can promote restful sleep by calming the nervous system and balancing the doshas, energies, in the body. Relief from headaches and migraines. The soothing effect of Shirodhara can alleviate tension headaches and migraine symptoms. Improved hair and scalp health. The oils used in Shirodhara nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote healthy hair growth. Whether you're seeking relief from anxiety, insomnia, or simply aiming to enhance your wellness routine, Shirodhara offers a holistic approach. Experience the profound benefits of Shirodhara Panchakarma and embark on a journey to inner harmony and vitality. Revitalize your hair and skin with Ayurvedic expertise. Secure your spot at Dr. Smita Jadhav's clinic, where tradition meets modern wellness. Book your appointment today.